How to build a website with no code. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is about building a website without having to code anything. So before we begin, if you're new, head down below and hit the subscribe button and support us. Now let's begin. First step, what you'll need to do is choose a no-code platform. If you don't know what a no-code platform is, it's basically just other websites that help you build website. So there are a lot of different options available. So there are options such as Hostinger, Wix, and many other. So here you can see Framer and many more. So there are a lot of different options, and the most popular ones are Wix. So you can head over to wix.com and then get started with your project. Now there is also Google Sites. So you can search for sites.google.com. So let's head over to that. So just do your research and then choose a no-code platform which will allow you to build a website. So there you can see this is another option. It's really simple and easy to use. You can use it using your Google account as well. And there are different templates available here. So you can create a project. You can build a small business. There you can see. So let's just choose an option from here. So after you're here, what you'll then need to do is choose a template. And after you choose a template, you can then start designing your website. So there you can see this is what the website can look like. You can change your name here. You can see on the right hand side this tab where you can insert a text box, images, and many more. You can see how you want to place your content blocks as well. And again, there are a lot of different options. So you can place YouTube videos, you can place maps and other stuff. It's a really beginner friendly no code website or no code platform by Google themselves. Now heading back to Wix, you will need to build a website and get started. So just start with here, tap on get started, create an account, and then continue. So let's just continue with Google. Choose an account, tap on continue, and let it do its thing. And finally, after you've created an account in Wix, you will then be able to create a website. So choose who you want to create this website for. So let me just choose my business. Press continue. After you do that, you can then head over by creating anything. So you can also use AIs. A lot of different such platforms have AI now. So you can start without a chat with the AI, or you can use your AI. Now AI will simplify a lot of things. And as I said, there are again a lot of different other options as well, such as Framer, which is also another coding platform, no code platform, and it's completely free to use as well. So you can tap on start for free right here, let it load, create an account, and do the same. Now a lot of different websites will have different options and a lot of different other features. Some might be good at e-commerce, some might be good at other healthcare related websites. So just do your research and choose one. And finally, after you're done with choosing, you can then choose what you want to create. So there you can see again, we're back at Google Sites, and you can also choose the themes from here. So there are a lot of different options. And finally, when you're ready, you can publish this as well. So after you've created a website, tap on publish. And after you tap on publish, you'll need to publish it to the web. Now you will need to get a domain for that. That's a completely different topic here. But so let's skip that. But you can also get your domain from yourcompany.com. You can also get it from Google, and you can use your existing domain as well. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. This was just a beginner video, but I hope this helped.